Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to report inappropriate content on Likee. Staying safe online is super important, and if you see anything harmful, offensive or against Likee's rules, reporting it is the right step to do. First of all, open up the Likee application on your device and make sure that it is updated to the latest version, and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Likee, scroll through your feed or go to videos or comment you think is inappropriate. Here I'm not trying to say that this video is inappropriate, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can report it. If you see any reportable content while scrolling through your Likee account, then from the video, go ahead and press and hold to the video, and this will open up this pop-up menu at the bottom. Now click on Report. And once you get to this report page, select your region for reporting the content. Choose the most accurate region that fits the situation and click on the next button. Some reports may ask for additional info or screenshots. Provide details if needed. And once you are done, Likee's moderation team will review your report. Remember that false reporting is against community rules, so always report honestly and only when you genuinely believe content is harmful or inappropriate. And that's how you report content on Likee to help keep the platform safe and enjoyable for everyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.